Okay, this is Florence, the mathematics tutor, and we are looking at the relationship between the roots and coefficients of a quadratic equation. Now, we are told that the sum of roots is equal to negative b on a, and the product of roots is equal to c on a. Now, we want to prove if it is true. Now, we are assuming that our given roots are alpha and beta. Now, if the roots are alpha and beta, then it means that x minus alpha must give us 0. And also, x minus beta must give us 0. Now, it also means the product of these two must give us 0. So we have x minus alpha multiplying x minus beta should be equal to 0. Now, when we expand, we obtain x times x, which is x squared. We also have x times beta, negative beta, which is negative beta x. Then we have negative alpha times x, negative alpha x. The negative alpha times negative beta is giving us positive alpha beta equal to 0. Now we can rewrite this as x squared minus into brackets beta plus alpha, then multiplying x. So we factorize the x plus alpha beta, which is equal to 0. Now, we'll compare this to the general quadratic equation. For the general quadratic equation, we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, first of all, let's make the coefficient of x squared to be 1, which means we are going to divide through by the coefficient of the x squared, which is a. So we have x squared plus bx on a plus c on a is equal to 0. Now, we'll compare. Here, when you look at the coefficient of x over here, it is the negation of into bracket beta plus alpha. And here, the coefficient of x is b over a. So when we compare, we'll get to see that our negative into bracket beta plus alpha, or alpha plus beta, because addition is commutative, is equal to b on a, which is the coefficient of the x in the general equation. Now, to take away the negative, we can multiply through by negative 1, where we obtain plus alpha beta is equal to negative b on a, which means that for the sum of roots, it is the negative b on a. Then let's also prove for the product. For the product, so this is sum. For product, we have alpha beta here, which is our constant, is equal to the constant here, which is now c on a, which means that for product of root, alpha beta is equal to c on a. And this is Florence, the mathematics tutor.